Last video, prior bar breakout, n equals 1. Here we generalize. Instead of one bar, we look at n. We'll see the Donchian channel and its two modes, fixed and compression. As always, experimental software, not financial advice. Capital loss is a real risk. Backtest and live aren't the same thing. Same principle as before, only the window changes. N bars instead of 1. The higher N, the older and more respected the level. Fewer signals, more selective ones. The channel redraws on every closed bar, just like before. N equals 1 breaks the last bar. N equals 5 breaks a level that's held for 5 bars, a tougher obstacle. The ATR buffer adds a margin to the trigger based on volatility, mirrored for shorts. With compression, N is recalculated every bar. It starts from min N and stretches as long as the range stays under the threshold. As soon as it would exceed it, it stops there. The channel works exactly like fixed, just with N no longer fixed. The longer price stays compressed, the more N grows. As soon as it breaks out, N snaps back short. That's Donchian's entry logic covered. Exits and filters get their own videos.